How to trim video in Capcut PC. In this video, we will be looking at the ways to trim video in Capcut in PC. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, you need to first import the video which you want to trim and drag down to edit it. One way to trim your video is to reduce its length. As you can see, you can drag the end of the box and make it as short as possible of your desirable length. That is one way to trim video in Capcut. But sometimes we might want to trim the video from its middle section. For that, you need to use the long line that is hovering over our video and take it to the part where we want to trim it, and then click on the split option. Now you can see the video has been divided into two sections, and you can delete the section which you want and keep editing the other part. And that is it. That is how easily you can trim video in Capcut on PC. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for such tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end.